Hello everybody, how you doing? It's Lindsay. I just wanted to show you how I make a digital bathroom log. I had a couple people at lunch ask about it, so I figured I will make a little how-to video and send it out in case anyone else wants to. So you go to your forms page, from Microsoft 365, click new forum, put a title, either one of these work. And then you write, I am going to whence to, because they're going to answer the same questionnaire whether they're returning or going. So okay, you can even put the other option. I leave that up there in case something random happens. And yeah, so if they click on it and then there's a submit button and they submit it when they leave, you can even, let me see where the settings are. You can customize your thank you message. And then I did this on mine. You might want to add this too. Just joking. So, okay, so now when they submit it, it'll say, don't forget to hang up or take the pass. Only people from this organization can respond. Record name. Do not click one response per person, or that person will only be able to go to the bathroom once all year. So, change theme here. Make something pretty. Share. And then copy the link. So you go into your Canvas class. Add URL. And bingo. Now the student clicks on it. It takes them right to the log. They click that they're going. They could even leave the screen open while they shut the computer and they come back and they do it again. And it works out. You are also able to look at the responses in Excel. Because this is new, it doesn't have anything. I'm going to pull up one of the examples from last year. I deleted the names to protect their innocence. You can see here, they left at 9:09 and returned at 9:09. It was the fastest drink in the world. The kid's email address will be there with their student ID number and their first and last name. And it keeps a running log like that. You can press this button and you can organize it ascending by alphabetical order. If you need to know it by date, you could do it by start time. If you need to see who went to the bathroom, click it here and just see who went to the bathroom. Also, this page will have statistics, like a pie chart that tells you who went to the bathroom, who went to the clinic, who got a drink, so you can see any patterns that are emerging in any of your classes. So it's been very helpful to me, and if you like it, go ahead and use it for you.